The ongoing mask mandate debate for schools is becoming intense as more districts are defying the governor. But for many, the numbers led them to this decision. In Leon County, 469 cases have been reported in the last 14 days. 436 students and 33 staff members, and more than 1,000 students are quarantined. And now Leon County has hired legal defense against the Commissioner of Education. Good evening, I'm Ava Van Valen.
And I'm Channing Frampton. Though Judge John Cooper ruled the mandate unconstitutional, the question is, how do we get here? Well, let me show you. July 27th, the Leon County School Board, they enacted making masks optional for students and staff. August 4th, School Board Superintendent Rocky Hanna sent a letter to Governor Ron DeSantis asking for the authority to make masks mandatory. Then Sunday, August 22nd, the superintendent announced masks would be mandatory for students K through 8 with a parental opt-out option. That news came after a third grader from Canopy Oaks Elementary died. Then, August 24th, Leon County School Board voted to uphold the mandate with a medical opt-out option.
During the trial, the governor's lawyers used the argument of the Parents' Bill of Rights as to why the executive order was made. But the judge ruled the local school districts were in their rights under the bill. ABC 27's Veronica Vernaccio spoke to a lawyer about how that's true.
The Parents' Bill of Rights is a new law in Florida enacted just this year on July 1st. And by definition, it does three things. It gives the parents the right for their child when it comes to upbringing, education, and health care. Now, the big question on this case, though, is when does one parent's rights interfere with another parent's?
The case is centered around the ability to mandate masks or not. According to the CDC, wearing a mask helps protect those around you, which Judge John Cooper argues it's not a personal decision that the Parental Bill of Rights protects.
Not wearing a mask is not about your child at all. It's about the health and well-being of other people's children. And so while you say that you may have a right, that right has to stop where my rights begin.
According to the bill, the state, its political subdivisions, other governmental entities, or other institutions may not infringe on parental rights without demonstrating specific information. The prosecution argues demonstrating specified information could mean public health for state interest.
And in this case, right, masks are not mentioned in the Parents' Bill of Rights. Masks are nowhere mentioned in the Parents' Bill of Rights. And a court found on last Friday, that masks do serve a really compelling state interest that is very narrowly tailored to protect children in schools.
In Judge Cooper's findings on the case, he states, the Parents' Bill of Rights permits local school boards to enact policies related to health care and education, including mask mandates.
The governor has appealed the judge's decision, but that decision last week did give 67 districts across the state of Florida the right to mandate masks. Reporting in Tallahassee, Veronica Vernaccio, ABC 27.
Since Governor DeSantis issued an appeal on last week's ruling, Judge John C. Cooper will be holding a hearing next Wednesday at 10 o'clock.